Just a few days before the premiere of the first V12 HPEV, high-performance electrified vehicle, hybrid super sports car, Lamborghini gives us an insight into the car's driving dynamics. The new car, project name LB744, is designed and developed to deliver absolute excitement and control in all situations and in all grip conditions, providing the driver with a level of confidence and connection with the car never experienced before. So, what makes the LB744 so special? Well, let's start with its architecture and balance. The LB744 features an unprecedented layout, a 6.5-liter naturally aspirated V12 mid-engine, 3 electric motors, and a new hybrid powertrain that makes it possible to introduce new driving modes, including zero-emission 4WD, for a total of 13 different driving experiences. The car's electric motors also allow for optimal weight distribution, bringing the car's center of gravity closer to the wheels. The LB744 is also equipped with an ultra-lightweight integral carbon fiber structure, making the car exceptionally stable and contributing to the car's overall feeling of compactness and responsiveness. Active aerodynamics play an essential role in the LB744's performance, achieving new levels of efficiency and downforce. To respond to the highest performance situations, the braking system and brake cooling system have also been redesigned, featuring the latest generation CCB+, Carbon Ceramic Brakes Plus. The LB744 also features 3 new dedicated driving modes: Recharge, Hybrid, and Performance, to be combined with the Cita, City, Strada, Sport, and Casa modes, selectable via the 2 rotors located on the redesigned steering wheel. So, whether you're driving in the city, on the highway, or on the track, the LB744 has a driving mode for every situation. With its unparalleled design, engineering, and performance, the LB744 is set to revolutionize the super sports car category. We can't wait to see it in action.